Today, we are taking a look at one of the cleanest 1950s classic custom trucks you'll ever see, finished in a bold and beautiful bright orange. This Restomod is a true showstopper from every angle. Right from the start, you can see the attention to detail. The body lines are smooth, the paint is flawless, and the stance gives it that perfect custom look. This truck has been fully restored and upgraded, keeping the classic 1950s style but adding modern performance where it matters most. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful, updated setup that delivers a smooth and reliable drive. The suspension has been upgraded, the wheels are custom, and the interior has been completely refreshed to match the truck's clean exterior. Every part of this build shows craftsmanship, from the chrome accents, to the polished trim, to the perfectly finished bed. Whether you're a collector, a classic car fan, or someone who simply loves vintage American trucks, this beauty has something for everyone. This is more than just a truck, it's a piece of automotive history, rebuilt for today's roads and tomorrow's shows. If you enjoy classic builds like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know what kind of classic or custom ride you want to see next. Thanks for watching.